If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to take control of your financial future, stop scrolling. The online world is a gold mine, but most people are wandering around lost. Today, I'm handing you the money map, which is a step-by-step guide to navigating your way to real, sustainable online wealth. No fluff, no fake promises, just proven strategies that can turn your laptop into a money machine. Are you ready to break free and start earning on your terms? Let's go. But before I dive deep into the video of the day, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Iyabo Yawale, and I run the House of Wisdom YouTube channel where we share millionaire maker tips for ambitious and positive-minded Gen Z like you. We cater strictly to the Gen Z, and that is why we call ourselves House of Wisdom, the Gen Z Nation. And this year, our goal is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires. And the big question to ask is, will you be one of them? If you're serious about your goal of becoming a Gen Z millionaire this year, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I tell you, we got loads of videos coming your way on the subject of becoming a Gen Z millionaire this year. And so hit the subscribe button to be kept in the loop so that you can get updates when we got new videos, and also we've got new live streams. Thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to us. And also don't forget to hit turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we got new uploads and also new live streams. Thank you so much for doing that. So how do you navigate your way to online wealth? How do you navigate your way to online wealth? This is a step-by-step guide to building sustainable income online. And if you've been searching for a clear, no BS path to making money online, you've just found it. This money map isn't about hype or get rich quick schemes. It's about real proven strategies that can help you build long-term sustainable online income. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to scale, this video will walk you through everything you need to start earning online. So the first step is choose your wealth vehicle. What is your wealth vehicle? That's the step one. Step one is choose your wealth vehicle. Now, before you start, you need to pick a proven online income model that aligns with your skills, time, and financial goals. Now, there is a high profit and low risk online business models, and these include affiliate marketing, whereby you earn commissions by promoting other people's products, and this is great for passive income. Affiliate marketing is great for passive income. Secondly, there is freelancing, where you offer skills like writing, graphic design, or coding on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Also, as part of the high profit, low risk online business models, we have e-commerce and drop shipping, where you sell physical or digital products without handling inventory. And also there is print on demand, POD, where you create and sell custom merchandise with zero upfront cost. And then there is content creation, where you share content on YouTube, blogs, or TikTok and monetize your audience with ads, sponsorships, and digital products. And also there is coaching and consulting, where you teach a skill or help others achieve results in a niche you understand. Now, if you're unsure, start with affiliate marketing or freelancing. Both have low startup costs and fast income potential. Now, the second step to your online money map, navigating your way to online wealth, is find your niche and audience. Making money online isn't about selling everything to everyone. It's about solving a specific problem for a specific audience. And so how do you choose a profitable niche? By the way, if you want to start affiliate marketing with Amazon today, I did a live on profitable Amazon niches, and you can go ahead and watch it. Just click on the live tab on our YouTube page, and you will get to watch all the lives we have made. This is our second live, and next week is another live. Now, how do you choose a profitable niche? Look for high demand plus low competition. So you use Google Trends, Reddit, and niche forums to find high demand and low competition. But for me, one tool that has worked is called the Low Fruits Keyword Research Tool, and I'll put the link to the Low Fruits Keyword Research Tool so that you can also use it. There is a free trial. Use it, and if you feel confident in it, you can go ahead and subscribe for it. I am a paying customer for Low Fruits because I know the potential, I know the power it has. And so we are still talking about choosing a profitable niche, and we're talking about look for high demand plus low competition, and also choose a niche with buyers like fitness, finance, relationships, and self-improvement. Also play to your strengths. If you love tech, review gadgets. If you enjoy writing, monetize a blog. Now find a niche where you can offer value through content. This makes it easier to grow and monetize. Step number 3 to navigating your way to online wealth is to set up your online real estate. Now think of this as your digital headquarters where people find and trust you. Choose your platform based on your business model. You can, for affiliate marketing, you can choose a blog, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. For freelancing, you can go ahead with Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. For e-commerce and POD, you can choose Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. For content creation, you can use YouTube, Medium, or Substack. For coaching and consulting, you can use a personal website plus LinkedIn or Twitter, and Twitter is now X. Now, don't overthink this. Pick one platform and master it first before expanding. You know, all those people who say be everywhere at the same time. It's not good advice, because when you are starting, you are low on staff, you are low on money, you are low on energy, and as one person you can't be everywhere at the same time. You will burn out, and so it's best you master uh, one platform, and then you can divert into others as the money comes in. Step number 4 to navigating your way to online wealth is create magnetic content and build trust. No matter what online model you choose, content is key. It attracts people, builds trust, and turns visitors into customers. Now, what are the content types that convert? Educational content converts a lot. People love educational content because people are always trying to learn, and so do tutorials, how-to guides, case studies on YouTube, blogs, and Instagram. Also do entertaining content, storytelling, personal experiences, and memes. Post your memes on TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. And also engaging content includes polls, challenges, Q&As, live sessions on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube Live. Now use the 80/20% rule, whereby you offer 80% valuable content and 20% monetization. People buy from people they trust, and so note this when you are setting up your content machine. Step number 5 is monetize and scale your online business. Once you have consistent traffic and trust, it's time to turn views into money. Now, monetization strategies for different models. For affiliate marketing, promote products, use email marketing, leverage SEO, and also TikTok. And for freelancing, you can offer premium services and upsell packages. You can even build an agency, and there's a lot of money in agency, just that the work is so much. For e-commerce and POD, you can add upsells, run Facebook, TikTok ads, and also optimize for SEO. For content creation, you can monetize with ads, brand deals, memberships, and courses. For coaching and consulting, you can sell premium coaching, offer group programs, and even launch a course. Now, understand that multiple streams of income is the goal, and once you have one working, you can add another. Now, step number 6, automate and scale to financial freedom. Now, the difference between hustling online and financial freedom is automation. Let me repeat that. The difference between hustling online and financial freedom is automation. So how do you scale smartly? Automate social media posts with tools like Buffer and Later, and also leverage AI to create content, ChatGPT for blog posts, Canva AI for graphics, and also outsource repetitive tasks. Hire a VA on Fiverr or onlinejobs.ph, and also use email marketing to turn one-time visitors into repeat buyers by using ConvertKit or MailChimp, which are all email marketing tools. Now, the sooner you automate, the faster you scale and hit passive income status. Now, what is the money map? This is our fast action checklist. Pick a profitable online business model. Choose a niche with high demand and buyers. Set up your platform. It can be a blog, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Create consistent, high-value content, and then start monetizing with proven strategies, and then scale with automation and outsourcing. Are you ready to take action? If you are, this money map gives you the exact steps. Now it's your turn. Will you just read this or actually start? Now, which step are you starting with first? Let's make online income real for you. And so go ahead and let me know which of the steps you are starting with in the comments. And if you've got questions after watching this video, do hit me up in the comments and I will personally answer you Also share this video with a friend. He or she will thank you later. And like this video, because when you do, you are training YouTube to show you similar content. And so like this video, and also hit the subscribe button to become a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community, where we share millionaire maker tips for ambitious and positive minded Gen Z. We are the Gen Z nation. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified of our new uploads and also our new live streams. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next.